Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to find BIOS version in Windows 10 using simple built-in tools available on your computer. Method 1. Step 1. Click on the Start menu, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and gives you access to Windows settings and built-in utilities needed to view system details. Step 2. Type system information in the search box, as this tool provides a complete overview of your computer's hardware and software configuration in one place. Step 3. Click on System Information from the search results to open the window where detailed system data is displayed clearly. Step 4. Look for BIOS mode and SMBIOS version in the System Summary section, because this area shows the current BIOS version and mode your system is using. Method 2. Step 1. Click on the Start menu to begin accessing another built-in diagnostic tool available in Windows 10. Step 2. Type DXDIAG in the search box, which stands for DirectX Diagnostic Tool and is used to collect system and driver information. Step 3. Click on DXDIAG from the results to launch the diagnostic window on your screen. Step 4. Click OK if prompted, allowing the tool to load all system information completely. Step 5. Check the BIOS information in the DirectX Diagnostic Tool window, where the BIOS version is listed along with other important system details. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.